What brings you to Space Tech Expo this year?
So Space Tech is a really amazing conference where there are a lot of people talking about new capabilities they're bringing online, new technologies. So we're here to meet folks and talk about how we can work together to bring new capabilities to our customers.
Okay. And you have been here speaking. You've just finished a session. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been talking about?
Yeah, so I was just on a panel talking about the kind of the business models of a lot of new kind of in-space servicing businesses. So there are folks that are doing mission extension for geo-based telecommunications satellites. We're focused on doing additive manufacturing in space for both use by by ISS crew and human astronauts to provide them new capabilities, as well as doing in-space manufacturing and assembly of parts of satellites to make those satellites space optimized rather than just engineered to fit on the top of the launch vehicle and survive launch.
Okay. And can you tell us a little bit about what Made in Space actually do then?
All right, so Made in Space is the in-space manufacturing company. So we're developing the tools that will make things in space, whether that be manufacturing parts of satellites like really, really large reflectors, or manufacturing objects for crew to use like hand tools and new R&D projects, or extending that even further, manufacturing things in the space environment that have incredible unlocked capabilities because they've been manufactured there, like optical fiber that can, has a much wider transmission window and a much faster response time than what you can manufacture on Earth. Okay.
What changes have you seen in the space tech industry in the last few years?
So in the last 2 years, we've really seen the deliverance, we've started to see the deliverance of the promise of commercial space. Like you have SpaceX and Orbital ATK routinely going to space now as commercial entities delivering goods to space. You have companies that are really, really sort of coming online from a revenue perspective that are being that are based on CubeSat class things like small satellites, and going a little bit further, like you have folks like us that are that have just recently demonstrated for the very first time that we can actually do manufacturing in space. Like before 2014, we had never manufactured useful objects in space, and now we are, and really starting to infuse that into future missions.
Okay, what new connections or partnerships are you hoping to make here at the show?
So we're hoping to deepen our relationships with existing vendors and customers, as well as we hope to figure out like new business new products and services that we could collectively offer, because space is a team sport. So coming to events like this and being able to talk with folks and brainstorm about new things that we can deliver is really one of the features here.